Our Bombora is here in Pembrokeshire to demonstrate at very large scale that the mWave technology and wave technology as a whole works in the ocean, and that we can then open up the market for wave energy.
Wave energy has huge potential to provide environmentally friendly energy generation. Bombora and mWave has a key role to play in that.
This is a very exciting project. You know, we're spearheading a new industry, creating jobs and addressing the global need to reduce carbon emissions.
We started this project early in 2018. Since that time, we've used a very careful process of building up the team, building up the capabilities in the supply chain, building a very rigorous process of testing along the way. So it's been a build, careful approach to validation, and right now we're coming to the final point of that. So it's a very exciting time to see that it all coming together.
This is East Pickard Bay, which is the landfall for the Pembrokeshire project. East Pickard Bay has an excellent wave resource, so excellent location for testing the mWave device.
We have subject matter experts within the team that cover each of the areas that this project entails, everything from electrical engineering to the marine construction. But of course we're also very reliant upon our supply chain, and we work with the supply chain at the very beginning of the project while defining the requirements and the specification of the machine all the way through to delivery.
This location is quite a sensitive, protected area. However, we managed to consent the site due to the low impacts of the device. We also consulted widely with stakeholder groups and the local community on the project. We didn't have any negative feedback in the consultations we undertook.
The Pembrokeshire project is a critical part of our commercialisation process. This demonstrates the technology's capability, and from here we can take this same product and put it into this pipeline of projects we are developing in parallel.
And we are now in the final stages of assembling a 900-ton wave energy machine. That progress is testament to the great work that the team have done in developing this design and working with the supply chain. And it will be a very, very exciting and proud moment to see it launch down the slipway next year and finally move to site.
For me personally, this is a great milestone for the company. In my previous experiences, when we go to commercialisation, when we take a product to the market, there's this very last key stage you go through. And right now we are at that point where the product all comes together, you take it to the ocean, and you test it and demonstrate its capability.